Why are you squatting for bigger legs, but your lower back is the one getting the workout? Yeah, let's fix that. Squats are one of the best leg builders ever, or one of the fastest ways to annoy your back and knees if you do them wrong. No leg growth, just pain and emotional damage. So here's your 7-step squat survival guide to build real legs without walking like an old man the next day. 1. Bar placement. Place the bar on your upper traps, not your neck. It should sit on muscle, not bone. If it feels like your spine is filing a complaint, it's too high. Higher bar equals more quad focus. Lower bar equals more glutes and lower back. Neither is wrong, just pick your poison. 2. Grip. There's no magical grip width. Go as wide or narrow as your mobility allows, but make sure you can squeeze your upper back tight and create a solid shelf for the bar. Too wide equals loose. Too narrow equals shoulders start protesting. Find the sweet spot where everything feels tight and stable. And please, don't flare your elbows behind you like chicken wings. 3. Walkout. Keep it to 3 steps max. You're squatting, not doing a sightseeing tour of the gym. 1 step back, 2nd foot back, 3rd step to adjust stance. Done. 4. Stance. For most people, just outside shoulder width with toes slightly pointed out works great. But your body isn't a copy-paste template. Test it with body weight first and use what feels natural. 5. Brace. Take a deep breath into your stomach and waist, not your chest. Fill your core like a balloon. Then brace like someone's about to punch you in the abs. Congratulations, your core is now your built-in weight belt. 6. Bar path. Keep the bar moving straight up and down. Think elevator, not roller coaster. If it drifts slightly, don't panic. Stay balanced and controlled. 7. Depth. Try to squat at least to parallel or slightly below. No half-wrap ego squats. And yes, knees over toes is completely fine. Just don't let your knees collapse inward. Push them out in line with your toes. If depth feels awkward, elevate your heels with lifting shoes or small plates. Your quads will finally ask, "Are we even involved here?" Now stop skipping leg day. Go squat properly and build legs that actually look like they belong to someone who trains.